Exploring the phrase, a journey together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meanings behind common phrases and expressions. Today, we're exploring a beautiful and evocative phrase, a journey together. This expression is rich in meaning and can be used in various contexts. Let's embark on this learning journey together and discover what it truly means to share a journey together. Before we delve into the full phrase, let's break it down, starting with the word journey. A journey refers to the act of traveling from one place to another. This can be a physical journey, involving moving across geographical locations, or it can be metaphorical, representing a process of change, growth, or development over time. The key aspect of a journey is that it involves progression and movement, often leading to a new understanding or achievement. Now, let's focus on the word together. Together is an adverb that means in company with others, in a collective or mutual action. When used in the phrase, a journey together, it emphasizes the idea of sharing the experience with someone else or with a group. This can deepen the journey's impact, making it not just a personal endeavor but a shared one, fostering connections, relationships, and mutual growth. Bringing both concepts together, a journey together can refer to various situations. Personal relationships. In personal relationships, it symbolizes the shared experiences, challenges, and growth that deepen bonds between individuals. Educational or professional settings. It can represent the collective efforts of a team or group working towards a common goal, emphasizing collaboration and shared success. Personal development. It also applies to individual growth that is supported and enriched by the presence and influence of others, highlighting the importance of community and support in personal evolution. To illustrate, let's look at some examples. Starting this business has been a journey together for us, facing challenges and celebrating successes. Here, it emphasizes partnership and shared experiences. Our travels across the country were a journey together, discovering new places and learning about each other. This example highlights the aspect of exploration and personal connection. This educational program is a journey together towards knowledge and empowerment. Here, it stresses the collective aspect of learning and growth. A journey together is a powerful phrase that captures the essence of shared experiences, growth, and discovery. Whether it's through physical travel, personal relationships, or collective endeavors, this phrase reminds us of the value of companionship and mutual support in navigating life's paths. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of this beautiful expression. Thank you for joining us on this journey of learning. Until next time, keep exploring and growing together.